What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Marie, and today I'm going to be showing y'all my studio apartment. I am 19 and I live in downtown Norfolk. I will be attending NSU this year, maybe possibly IDK yet, but yeah. So without further ado, I want to show y'all my new place real quickly. So let's go. Right now we're in the kitchen and my freaking ladder is in the way. I gotta use this like 2-step ladder because they put the cabinets hella high, and it's not just because I'm short. The cabinets are high as hell, I gotta admit. But here we are into the fridge. It's this really nice, like up-to-date fridge actually. They have this really nice fridge. And of course, you know I'm bougie. I have my pre-made coffee and like I put my milks and stuff into different containers. And yeah, so the fridge is really nice. And it has like the water sort of thing. And then this is the freezer down here. And it's not actually empty, although it may look like it is. I put food underneath that thing. Oh my god. And you might have seen that pizza in there. Don't judge me, okay? I didn't know what to do with it. Just leave me alone. You know that video that's like, I could tell what type of night you had. I've been in my house all day, so I made a pizza and just only time I went outside was to take the trash out because I didn't feel like interacting with people. Anywho, this is the coat closet that's right next to like the front door or whatever. And oh shit. Okay, so the reason why I have fans right here is because my AC broke, and the apartment complex actually brought me fans to like help me cool down because you know what type of weather we've been having. It's been insane. So this is my closet. If y'all know me, you know I have a shit ton of clothes, so I have to pack it as best I can because they didn't give me a closet. So yeah. And my shoes are at the bottom down there. And then I have my little cart thing. I have my little like grocery cart that I take with me to make like my trek from the parking garage a little bit easier on me. So yeah, that's what this closet is. And yeah, that's not where all my clothes is at. My other clothes is in another closet. So moving on into the actual kitchen area, I have some cabinet space. Ignore all the dishes in the sink. We're not gonna talk about them. But yeah, so this is the kitchen area. And so since there's not that much cabinet space in here, I have to utilize like all the racks. And like, look how fucking tall this is. Like, why would you put stuff up this high? Seriously. Like, I'm not being joking. That's pretty high. Ow. That's pretty high. And I'm 5'4". Say I'm 5'4", like that's tall. I know 5'4" is just, anyways, bye. So I'm not being dramatic. It's they did too much, but I got my ladder now, so it's all good. We good now, but before I was like, what the hell? So yeah, I went with this like bohemian type of theme, so all of my stuff is like green and gold. And then I just organized my teas and my coffee, my honey, and like my fake little flowers, which are super cute. And then in these drawers, I just got like regular kitchen stuff. You know, all the regular type of kitchen stuff. And then they have this really deep sink. We're gonna act like those dishes aren't in there. Like I said, I've been inside all day and I just didn't give a fuck. So, yeah. And so I also organized all my spices in this corner. And I have my cute little cup with all my silverware. This is Tired and Gay on it. The cute story about this is my mom, we were at Target during Pride Month and she saw the cup and she's like, Victoria, that's literally you. And I was like, okay, girl. And so she got it for me. She is a supportive queen. We love you. Thank you, Mom. But anyways, I just put my oats in here. This is actually something that the apartment complex gave me as like a welcome gift, so I thought that was cute. And I just added these little like vine things on the side because I don't know. I like plants and I feel like it like kind of makes it more me. And I also wanted to say I put like stuff in like jars and stuff like that just because I don't have a lot of space. So I wanted to make it look like, I don't know, like if everything had to be out on the counters, I wanted it to look nice at least. So, and I'm bougie as hell, but you know, we knew this already. And so moving on, I have like regular glass cups up here. I got 2 different color mugs. So the green ones match the plates that are in here. Ooh, all my plates are dirty, I'm crying. But the green ones match the plate set that I got from IKEA. I'm actually really excited to show y'all this. So IKEA has these really nice like long plates. And then I got, as I already shown y'all, I got gold silverware and I think they just look nice together. I don't know. It looks cute to me. And I got my bowls. I got my bowls in this like tannish color. Anyway, so yeah, I got like those green and tan colors that go really nice together with like just like the whole setting. Y'all see the vibe, right? I think it's pretty apparent. But anywho, I got this cute little cutting board that also matches. I think my mom gave this to me actually. But I feel like it kind of puts things together. And then any other little miscellaneous things that, you know, would match the kitchen, I put. And I got this shot glass from Puerto Rico. Go watch my Puerto Rico videos. This is just a little like water thing for when my plants get here. They're still at my parents' house for now, but they will be coming. And I just have a cute little trash can. So as y'all may know, like, so we walked through a hallway basically to get here. Pretty self-explanatory, as y'all could see. But so I have this hallway that connects from my kitchen to my bedroom because as y'all know, studios don't have actual bedrooms. So in the hallway, I got this unit right here, the washer dryer unit. This looks really nice, I think. And I just put my stuff on top because on the other side, it's a hot mess. I'll show y'all what it looks like, but it's not cute. It's just where I put more of my clothes. Cause I got hella clothes and I don't know what the hell else to do with it. Don't judge me. Oh, don't talk about it. We're getting it together. I don't have, just don't judge me. Anywho, turning around from the actual washer dryer unit is the bathroom. My mop was in the way. This mop though, for real, this is a really nice mop. The one from TikTok, it's actually really helpful. This is the bathroom. And it's still sticking with that whole like bohemian type of theme that I have going on. Like the lower part of my shower curtain have like the little tassels. It's a nice thing. There's space over the toilet, which I think is kind of weird, but it's cute, you know. So yeah, there's not really much to see in here, but you know, just to show y'all the theme or whatever. I set up my little bath tray that I have. And yeah, it's cute. It's a pretty deep tub too, so like I could take baths and whatnot. And then I have this thing on the back of the door that kind of matches my bath tray. So it all looks really cute together. Moving along, here is my bedroom. So as you can see, like right down the hallway, you'll be able to see my bed, which I understand it kind of looks weird. I wanted my bed to just be out of the way. I don't want my whole entire like room area to be my bed. So I just put it just over to the corner. It's still cute. I still think it adds to my place, but it's not my entire place, if that makes any sense. And I'm not finished moving, so I do still have like boxes and stuff in this corner. But this is going to be like where I record my videos, my YouTube videos, where I study and stuff. But yeah, let me show y'all the full view of my room. And yeah, so over here will be like my YouTube recording studio and like maybe a desk or something. In that box, there's a hammock that I'm gonna hang up somewhere. And then I'm gonna have this really cute like hexagon stacked plant rack that's over here. So there's gonna be a little bit more decoration going on, but that's the majority of my place. It is hella small, but I love it and it's perfect. And I recorded at night because it really doesn't matter. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my windows have a beautiful view of brick walls, both of them. Like literally brick wall and moving down over here. It's looking directly into someone's place. I don't know if they have their window open, but yeah. So it doesn't really matter. I have my studio lights, but I know this video is going to be quick, so I didn't really care to bring them out. I know a lot of people might have questions on like how to prepare yourself to move out, what it comes with, what it's like, and I will be doing videos on that. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, if you're trying to navigate moving and you really just don't understand what you need to do, feel free to ask me. You could comment below, or if you don't really feel like you're having your comment be public, you can DM me. I have no problem giving you any advice or any answers that you want or need. I know what it's like looking on the internet and no one's really actually giving you the answers that you want, so feel free to ask me. But yeah, this is my place and I just absolutely love it. I feel like it fits my vibe so perfectly. Like, I don't know. Here is my Otis Redding. I know y'all know nothing about this, but your mama probably do. Otis Redding is that nigga for real. My journaling stuff is down there. And yeah, I just feel like it really suits me well. And if, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I have no problem answering anything. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.